Hello, this is Valiant Customs. I'm Steve. Today, today I got the window felt in the mail. Well, yesterday I got it in the mail. So I want to go ahead and get the window felt in these windows here. And then after that, I want to try and get the starter to work and everything. This video will have the window felts in, the starter should start, and I want to get this put in the shop so I can work on it in the shop instead of being outside. Oh, before I get too far in the video, I told you guys that when I got the truck bed put on my 96, I'd show you what the truck bed looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this down for a minute, and then I'll show you that real quick. So just real quick, I wanted to show you the truck when I got the bed put on it and everything. And so then I wanted to get the truck put together because the bed and everything was over here and it was in my way. So now I want to take this area here and put the 54 International there, and then I want to bring the 78 in right here. Get the 78 right here so I can just keep working on it and everything, and hopefully that way when if the weather gets too bad or anything like that, because being in October and everything, it's gonna start getting bad. Let me switch this camera around real quick. So anyways, I want to put the truck in here because being October here in Michigan, the weather is usually pretty rainy and everything, so I want to be in here where I can get it completed. And I don't know when I'll reach 10,000 subscribers, but I want to have the truck ready to go when we hit that number. So let's go ahead and get back outside on those window felts. The first thing to do to get these window tracks and everything ready is you want to pull the old felt that's stuck in here. You want to make sure you pull the old felt out, and you want to wipe it down in here, wipe it down on here and on the top part, just to make sure you got a decent area for it to fit in. And then there's the tracks down here inside the door. You want to try to get those wiped out the best you can. This one, the back one, is a lot easier than the front one. And then I think I'll put you guys in hyperdrive and start putting the new felt in this one. This one's got right here at the top. Where is it? Right here? No, right. Yeah, right here. I'm sorry. Right here, it's got a hole, and the new felt has a plug. Okay, and the new felt has a plug right here that has to be pushed into that hole up there. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on hyperdrive. Alright, so got the felt all in and everything. It's pretty tight, so over time it'll loosen up and get a little better of fit and everything, but it's in there, it's going up and down, it's working. So from there, next is I'm not gonna put the sections on that go right here, because this door is gonna have to be sanded down anyways. Get any of the surface rust and all the rust on the outside and everything. But so from there, now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and jump on the starter, or maybe I'll clean the garage out and get this moved into where I want it in there. I guess before I do any of that though, I want to go ahead and go in here and show you guys. I know on the last video I said that I was gonna have it on a board, everything, or the budget for this and everything. So I do have that done. I want to go ahead and show you guys that, and then after that I'll go ahead and probably get this inside. We'll get the 54 International in, and then get this inside, and then I can continue making the video and getting things done on this. Well, here she is in all her glory. Right now it looks, I have $619 into the truck. So hopefully I can get that. I can either sell some stuff. Well, once I scrap the parts truck, that'll come down. I don't know how much, but it'll come down. But then it's going to go right back up when I order the bed sides for it. And the spindles, I think I'm doing spindles, coils, and a flip kit on it. So that'll go back down and everything. Plus there's going to be a cost of some spray paint, because I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the steel rims white and use hubcaps on them. And then, yeah, so this is where I'm at, and we're just going to go from there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this mess cleaned up here, get the 54 in, get the 78 in here, and we'll go from there. So from the last time I recorded this, which is just seconds for you guys, but I was at 619. I sold the cap that was on the back of the truck, the parts truck, sold it for $55. So now I've got a total of $564 into the 078 truck. So I want to go ahead and get on out there and get the gas tank put in it, and I'd like to get the bed, the floor of the bed, and the wheel tubs, and the front plate of the bed. I want to get all that put on. The bed sides I've already taken off because I'm not going to use the rusted up bed sides that were on it. But everything else is in pretty good shape. So let's go ahead and get out there and do that, and I'll put you in hyperdrive. So I got tired of dealing with the electrical on this thing for right now with the starter and everything. So I went ahead and I did a cab corner on it. Well, those don't look the best, but they'll get ground down anyway, so no big deal there. And take that off of there. And you can see, like right here, I think once I replace this rocker, I'll be able to push that up a little bit more and get a better fit right there. But as far as the door and everything fitting, it's not too bad. It's got a little bit of a big gap here, but like I said, I think I can get rid of that when I do a rocker. But as far as the door itself, it's there. It's all nice and smooth on there and straight, so I think it's okay. And so that's what I did. Get my mind off of the starter on this truck so I can figure that out. So the old Scarecrow is tore back down. I got the front end off of it because I was having starter issue. I'm having starter issues. So I wanted to be able to trace the wires without having a bunch of stuff in the way and all that good stuff. So I took the front end off. And now I'm tracing wires on it. But I got frustrated, so as you can see, I went and welded on a cab corner. I don't have that ground down yet or anything like that, but probably in the next video that'll be taken care of. And so I guess, you know, when I get frustrated with one thing, I just go to another thing on it. Just keep the momentum going so that we can get projects done. So I want to thank everybody for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you, and have a blessed day. So I ended up reviewing the video, or well, actually I noticed it when I showed you guys that my cab corner, when I put it on, it kind of, like the cab went down like this, and then the cab corner like went like this, and then all of a sudden it kind of kicked out. Didn't look very good. I didn't like it. So I cut it off. And I'm not going to be able to have it on and everything, you know, for this video. But I just wanted to let you guys know real quick that I did go ahead and cut it off. Man, why didn't you, Bob, back there on the couch in your smoker's jacket there, why didn't you tell me that that cab corner was like that? That's embarrassing. That was horrible. But hopefully it's going to be fixed. I'll show you on the next video when I do the body, a little bit of body work on it there with that cab corner, and hopefully I'll be able to show you it running after I get the electrical fixed on the next video. Hopefully. So again, I just want to say thank you, and God bless. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.